Most of Hong Kong and other parts of southern China ground to a near standstill Friday, with classes and flights cancelled as powerful Typhoon Saola approached. Many workers stayed at home and students in various cities saw the start of the school year postponed to next week. Trading in Hong Kong's stock market was suspended and hundreds of people were stranded at the airport after about 460 flights were cancelled in the key regional business and travel hub. Rail authorities in mainland China suspended all trains entering or leaving Guangdong province from Friday night to Saturday evening, state television CCTV reported. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon button to stay updated.